I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Open Google Ads and confirm billing and account links so conversions track. First, pick a campaign goal because that directs bidding and assets. Next, choose the campaign type. Search for intent-based clicks, display for reach, performance max to automate across channels. Once done, set your daily budget and bidding strategy, like maximize conversions or manual CPC, because this controls spend and optimization. Make sure conversion actions are defined before you launch to measure results accurately. Now you build the middle. Organize ad groups around tightly themed keywords so quality score improves, and add 5 to 10 keywords per group. Create responsive search ads with multiple headlines and descriptions to let Google test combinations. Include your main benefit and a call to action. Then set audience signals and location targeting. Use demographics and in-market audiences to refine reach. Finally, schedule ads for peak hours and add bid adjustments for devices or locations to prioritize high value. You're ready to launch, but don't walk away. Enable conversion tracking and start the campaign, then monitor performance intensely for the first 72 hours so the system collects usable signals. Once you have data, review search terms, pause irrelevant queries, and adjust bids based on CPA and ROAS. If performance stalls, check common issues, add disapprovals, low search impression share, or missing conversion tags. If conversions don't record, verify tag firing and linked accounts. Fix those and resume optimization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.